Rainbow City!
We're here so that cat can visit a lady cat named Roxana.
Ah, Roxana!
Roxana is smart and clever and funny.
She's also crazy about music, so tonight I'm gonna lemonade her with a song.
You're gonna serenade her.
Huh?
Serenade means playing music in someone's honor. It's such a sweet thing to do.
And for my serenade, I'm bringing a whole group of musicians with me. See?
Hola! They're called a mariachi band, and man, can they rock.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ¡Órale!
All 7 are here. Got your gift?
Gift?
Roxana really loves heart shapes, so Kat's bringing her.
A 9-piece heart-shaped 3D puzzle. I just have to put all the pieces above, below, behind, next to, and in front of one another. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See?
Aww!
Whoa!
Ay, me! Who surprises me with such beautiful music in the noche?
Say something.
Marmalade. Oh.
Oh, how sweet. His words are nonsense, yet he speaks the language of love.
What? I do?
However, there is one problem. The shape you are all standing in.
Shape?
It's how do you say? It's no good.
Then we will change it for you, Roxana.
Just tell us what to do.
Well, the handsome bluish purple cat should be in front and the guitars should be next to him. No, a little in front. No, a little behind. Muy bien. The violin and the trumpet should be behind them on each side, and the rest should make a semicircle above them all. And then the girl with the little guitar should be one step in front of them. There! A perfect heart formation! Oh, sweet cat, sing to me, and I shall come downstairs to greet you. Why me? I have locked myself out of my house.
Oh, no.
How will I ever get down?
How will she ever get down?
And how will we ever greet each other?
How will we ever greet each other? Ah! I am heartbroken!
We are totally freaking out!
Señorita, you need to chill out.
Uno is right. We should all count backwards from 9 to calm down. 9.
8.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cat, you amazing, heartbreaking, and remaking genius.
What can I say? I'm good at puzzles.
That's it. We could fit the mariachis together like puzzle pieces to make steps all the way to the balcony.
What an amazing genius Gat is.
Okay, mariachis, here we go. If you get on all fours and then synchro, we'll put siete and seis front of cinco. And if tres times above next to cuatro, we can top them with uno and dos.
Wow, math really takes my breath away.
And so, problem solved. The problem is solved. We solved the problem.
Todo es asombroso.
Problema solved.
Oh, Roxana, I have brought you a 9-piece heart-shaped puzzle.
I have been given many heart-shaped puzzles. 5 pieces, 6 pieces, but never 9 pieces. I can't believe it. I won't believe it.
Then I shall prove it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Ah, then it is perfecto.
Like you.